Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about consecutive interior angles, also known as same side interior angles in some textbooks as well. So, consecutive interior angles, also known as same side interior angles, are supplementary if and only if there are two parallel lines with the transversal. And so, in this case here, the key thing is we have to have these two lines must be parallel. And what do we mean by supplementary? Supplementary means that the angles add up to 180 degrees. And by same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles, we mean that they lay on the same side of the transversal as each other. So notice that in this example here, x is to the left of the transversal, right? Because this right here, this blue line here is the transversal. X lies to the left of it and y also lies to the left of it. And so that's why it's same side interior or consecutive interior, because they're right in the row and they're both on the same side. The interior comes from the fact that they're inside the two parallel lines, right? So right here we have that they both lie on the inside here. They do not lie on the outside that's over here. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the problems involving these. So here they ask us to find the missing angle. Well, I noticed that we do have two parallel lines, as evidenced by these symbols here, and a transversal. And I also noticed that both of these are on the same side of our transversal. This one's to the left of the transversal. X is also to the left of the transversal. So that means they must be supplementary. So the two together must sum to 180. That means that x plus 30 is equal to 180. And if we subtract 30 from both sides, we get that x is equal to 150 degrees. So that means our missing angle is 150 because x is our missing angle in this scenario. Now let's try a more complex example. So here, once again, we have the exact same situation where we have the same side interior angles. And so we know that both of them together must sum to 180. So x plus 100 plus, which is this one, plus x, which is this one, must equal to 180 degrees. So then I'm going to simplify the left. X plus x is 2x, so we get that 2x plus 100 is 180. Then if I subtract 100 from both sides, I get that 2x is equal to 180 minus 100, which is 80. And then if I divide both sides by 2, I get that x is equal to 40 degrees. And that's my answer. X is 40 degrees. So that's the answer for x. Now what about the missing angles here? Well, x is this first missing angle, so this is just 40 degrees. What about this one here? Well, if we plug in 40 for x, we get that it's going to be 40 plus 100, which is 140 degrees. And also, non-coincidentally, 140 is also the supplement of 40, meaning that together they sum to 180. And so that's even further confirmation to us that we're correct. The fact that those same side interior angles do indeed add up to 180, as they should. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.